Hello friends, today's new story is The Frozen Fear. So, let's start. In the remote wilderness of Alaska, where the bitter cold cut through the air like a knife, stood a forgotten outpost, known as Frostwood Lodge. Abandoned for decades, it was rumored to be cursed by the spirits of those who perished in the unforgiving snow. When a team of researchers stumbled upon the lodge during an expedition, they saw it as an opportunity to uncover the mysteries of the frozen wasteland. Among them was Dr. Emily Carter, a renowned archaeologist with a fascination for the supernatural. As they explored the crumbling ruins of Frostwood Lodge, the team unearthed artifacts of a forgotten civilization, their frozen remains preserved in the permafrost. But as night fell and temperatures plummeted, they realized that they were not alone in the wilderness. A sinister presence lurked in the shadows, its icy grip tightening with each passing hour. Strange phenomena plagued the researchers, from unexplained whispers on the wind to chilling apparitions that vanished as quickly as they appeared. Determined to unravel the truth, Emily delved deeper into the history of Frostwood Lodge, uncovering a tale of betrayal and sacrifice that mirrored the frozen landscape itself. But as she drew closer to the truth, she found herself ensnared in a web of deceit and treachery that threatened to consume her whole. As the temperature continued to drop and supplies dwindled, Emily and her team faced a race against time to escape the frozen nightmare that had become their reality. But the spirits of Frostwood Lodge would not rest until they had claimed their vengeance, and Emily knew that their only hope lay in confronting the darkness that lurked within. In a final, desperate bid for survival, Emily braved the icy depths of the lodge, uncovering secrets that had long been buried beneath the snow. With courage and determination, she faced the spirits head-on, her every breath a battle cry against the frozen fear that threatened to consume them all. As dawn broke over the horizon and the first rays of sunlight touched the frozen landscape, Emily emerged from Frostwood Lodge, battered but victorious. The curse had been broken, and the spirits laid to rest once more. But as she looked back at the lodge, Emily knew that some mysteries were best left frozen in time, their secrets buried beneath the snow for eternity. The story is ended here. So please like this videos and subscribe this channel for more interesting stories. Thanks for watching.